Welcome to the Informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, don't forget that this content should not be considered as any official financial advice, and it's provided for educational purposes only, guys. If you haven't subbed yet, subscribe to our channel. What are you waiting for? Just a click away right there. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press, informative and educational content, guys. Don't forget also to like this video so that you can help the algorithm help other people like you find this quality channel where we provide great content, guys. So we move on to the fear and greed index, guys. Currently at 28. Yesterday was 27. Last week it was 26, guys. So we're just ranging. We're ranging, nothing new. We're ranging here between that 31 and 26 in the shorter time frame, but in the bigger picture, the 40 level continues to be key towards the upside and the 20 below, so towards the downside. So we have to wait and see. Bitcoin's going to probably decide one way or another in the next couple of weeks, but it's towards the end of the year, so we have to see how Bitcoin's going to close the weekly, the monthly, by the end of this week and starting the new month now on January 1st, guys. We go immediately into the charts, guys. Look at this. Let's analyze, man. Beautiful TA, quick and easy. Look at this right here. What do we see, Jay? What are we looking at? Well, we have back-to-back bearish negative red candles, for Bitcoin's current price. We basically got rejected off that $16,829 level. It's key resistance now, and we're on our way what it seems like to be towards that $16,217 support level. I mean, we've just been ranging for the past couple of weeks, as we can see here, week and a half. We've been ranging between that 16.2 and 16.8, give or take. So that's what we're sitting at right now. Bitcoin has been stable coining, essentially just ranging from side to side, consolidating probably before the next big move. Right now it's heading towards the downside, but we have to definitely see how it's going to play out. We see the stochastic RSI. If we zoom in real quick, we see a cross down on the daily, so momentum is reversing. We got to stay, keep our eyes on that 20 level. If it gets below that, then it confirms momentum towards the downside, and we could expect further downside action. We see the regular RSI here also with a straight line down. This pivot low of 40 is key. If it breaks, then we might see lower lows than the $16,250 level, guys. So we have to stay tuned, and see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do in the next couple of days. On a weekly chart, we do see that this red week here is currently, this candle is currently red. We do see that it's currently pushing towards we have no wick to the downside, so we're making new lows here on the week. And like we said, this hammer candle towards the downside, in our previous episode we mentioned it. We said that the next couple of candles will probably be bearish, and right now it seems to be playing out. We had a green week for the last week, but right now it seems to be playing out as we said. On the weekly, the next support level is that $15,769 level, so we're still a ways away, but we're just in this descending channel here. And that's where we're at right now, just playing with support and resistance levels on the weekly. So we'll see what happens. The DXY here, we see that we have this wedge formation and this longer term uptrend line here. If it plays out right now, it's playing out. We've been if we notice here, we touched it here, we touched it here, and now we're touching it again for a third time, and we do see that strong rebound there that we see with this candle, basically trying to break this upper trend line from the wedge pattern here, just trying to break towards that upside. So we have to wait and see. If it does, then the DXY's next resistance is 105.35, but the candle hasn't closed. Let's see how it ends towards the end of the week, but this green trend line for now is acting as support. So we'll see if it closes above this green trend line here, the down sloping trend line, if it closes above, by the end of the day today. So we'll see with tomorrow's candles, guys. So again, today's episode is about XRP and Shiba Inu mainly. Those are two mainstream altcoins that a lot of people, they have large communities. You know, a lot of people follow these coins, they love these coins. You know, XRP, I always mention it to be a scam, but it's all for the jokes. You know, at the end of the day, we all invest into cryptocurrencies. They all have their positives, their negatives, in a sense, you know, pros and cons. So as long as you do your own research, that's what's going to matter at the end of the day. So we're going to start with XRP, then proceed with Shiba Inu. You know, last time we did you know, TA for XRP, we were mentioning that the 33 cent level was key, the 33.6 cents. And you know, we actually came down just a couple of days ago. We came down about a week and a little bit, you know, and a couple of days ago we came down right to that point. I believe we were like up here. The last time we mentioned XRP, we did some TA, we were up here, and we said we were just consolidating sideways and just range trading between the 33 cent and the 42 cent levels. And look at that TA, man, we came right back down to it. We've had a bounce, you know, off that support, and now it seems that we might retest it, you know. So if it breaks towards the downside, the next one would be that 28 cent level. But if we go up towards the upside, you know, the 42 cents would be that next resistance. So, you know, again, XRP, large community, you know, top 5 coin. You got to give it its props. You know, it is centralized, and you know, things of that nature. But again, you know, we're all free to choose what we want to invest in, and we just do TA here. We keep things simple, objective, you know, and we just study the charts, and that's that. So, you know, doing so, those are the key levels for XRP. Keep your eyes on, you know, on those key levels. And right now we had a bounce, so that's good. But let's see if it holds, or if it doesn't, then we would proceed to the next support level. Excuse me. So when it comes to Shiba Inu here, the dog coin, you know, we have Doge as the dog coin, and then also Shiba Inu, its baby brother. You know, again, here we have supporting key support and resistance levels. You know, the resistance for Shiba is quite high from where we're currently standing at, you know, right now. So let's just focus on these levels down here. You know, right now we pierced through this level and we came right back down to test that, you know, 795. Let's just call it that way, because it's man, it's so cheap and so under a penny. Let's just use, you know, whole numbers in that sense. 795 here, you know, so you come back down, it came right back down, and as we're speaking, it's piercing through that level, guys. It came, touch as support, had a bounce, and right now we're piercing through. The next one is going to be the 741 support level towards the downside, and if that breaks, then the 604, you know, would be that next key fundamental support level actually for Shiba Inu. So again, big community, large amount of addresses, people holding it. You know, it became mainstream meme coin, you know, in the 2021 bull market. So again, it's been retracing heavily. If we analyze it here from the top, let's see, to the current low, that's down 91%. Ay, yikes, man. Yikes, that hurts, guys. But again, usually these are where, you know, the best opportunities are at. Who knows, it might keep going, you know, down even further. But again, we keep TA simple, just support and resistance lines, you know, a couple of trend lines, maybe a couple of TA patterns here and there, but just support and resistance. Some people get too complicated, they overcomplicate things. Horizontal lines, guys, not even vertical ones. You know, support and resistance can't get any simpler than that. But for Shiba Inu, at a pivotal point right now, you know, it's at a pivotal point. You know, it's trying to pierce, you know, through the support, so we have to wait and see if it's going to hold. Candle hasn't closed, you know, so if it holds, it might bounce again. If it doesn't, then the next support would be that key level. Guys, don't forget, if you enjoy this type of TA, educational content, informative content, we have a free educational playlist for you guys down in the description below, just a click away. One click, you have access to all these different cryptocurrency videos with their educational presentations and everything. It can't get any better than that. And also, don't forget, follow us on Twitter. If you're participating in our end of year giveaway, don't forget, one of the conditions, come over, just follow us on Twitter. We provide, you know, great quality cryptocurrency content, and here it is. Only a couple of days left. If you haven't done so, make sure you check our giveaway video right here. Actually, this one is the New Year's one right here. Check it in, easy to participate. Don't miss out on that opportunity to earn your free cash prize. So it can't get better than that. So moving on to the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world and their performance for the past 7 days. We start immediately with Bitcoin, BTC. BTC. Currently at I'm sorry, 16. Man, if it would be $1, man, $16,500, down 1.60%. Number 2, Ethereum at $1,186, down 2% for the week. Number 3, BNB at $243, down 1.43%. Number 4, XRP, the scam that we definitely covered today, currently at around 36 cents, up 3.38%. Ironically, number 5, Dogecoin, the dog coin, currently at 7 pennies, down 4.25%. The top 5 best performing assets for the past 7 days. Number 1, Terra Classic, the scam, another scam. That's under a penny. That thing is essentially free. Scams are free, you know how it is. It's currently at up 15.40%. Number 2, Internet Computer at around $4 a pop, up 7.13%. Number 3, OKB at $23.73, up 5.43%. Cosmos Atom, the space coin, currently at $9.13, up 4%. And then we already covered XRP. Let's leave it at that. Currently, the top 5 worst performing assets for the past week. We start with number 1, Chain. Damn, look at that. Almost reaching that penny level, down 35%. Number 2, Toncoin at around $2 a pop, down 22.57%. Number 3, Solana. Man, broke the $10 barrier. Not good. At $9.72, down 20%. Number 4, we have Helium, HNT, at about $1.75, down 17.88%. And then we have number 5, Trust Wallet Token, at $1.25. Man, that was just $2, a couple of weeks ago. Wow, down 17.56%. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like the video. It helps the algorithm, helps other people, like-minded people like you guys find this channel with great cryptocurrency content, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Just a click away. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. Also, in the description down below, a link to our website. Great investment tools and resources for you guys. So again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.